Hi everyone, I hope you're having a good day today, and welcome back to our video. Fortnite is back! You can now install and play Fortnite game on your iPhone. For example, I'm using my iPhone 14 Pro with iOS 17 device on this video. Fortnite is set to come back to iOS in Europe sometime in 2024. This will mark the first time a natively running version of Fortnite will be available on iOS since Apple removed the game from the AppStore in 2020. Fortnite Battle Royale is a player versus player game for up to 100 players, allowing one to play alone, in a duo, or in a squad. Usually consisting of 3 or 4 players, weaponless players, airdrop from a battle bus that crosses the game's map. Actually, you can play Fortnite at this time. I have 2 methods to install Fortnite on iPhone. At the first, you must open your browser to download the Fortnite IP versions by the search Fortnite IP at 2024. First, install Fortnite from this archive. On GitHub, you will find the archive of Fortnite GIPA game installer, a guide on how to install these. Scroll to button to find alternative link, then click that. Then download the archive one by one for install the IPA apps. Step 2. Install Fortnite from with Fortnite installer. Scroll after you find the download link with size of file like this video. IP a Fortnite. Then download IPA file. Check the download progress. Make sure you have a good connection for download. Make sure has the download finished. Then sideload the IPA to your iPhone. You can use Sideload Apps toolset. Use Scarlet. Go back to your home browser to find the Scarlet website to download the Scarlet apps. Scarlet is an App Store and Cydia alternative including advanced features, a visually stunning interface, and a wide range of options for accessibility that can please developers and users alike. Scroll it after you find the Scarlet installation button with the red font. After click install, then click the direct install. Please wait as Scarlet apps installs. Then click open, then click install. It will bring you to install the Scarlet apps directly on your home screen menu. Wait the installation after finish, then click the icon of Scarlet apps after finish. You can't open the Scarlet apps. You must verify the apps on device management. Go to open your setting menu, general setting, VPN and device management, make it trust. After the verify the apps successfully, you can install Fortnite IPA file by import the file with Scarlet apps. Open the Scarlet apps, click the top of the right icon, then find the IPA file of Fortnite apps you downloaded before. Seems like this video. Wait the installation process. It will make the Fortnite installation, then open the Fortnite normally running, like this video. So after you can open the Fortnite game, download the patch, then you can play Fortnite on iPhone normally. You can now install and play Fortnite game on your iPhone. Easily, right? Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and see you next on another our video.